Hello friends, I am Dr. Deepak Garg and today we will discuss about classification of hemorrhage. So whenever a patient reaches in the casualty with the open trauma or there can be internal hemorrhage or post surgery, whenever there is a hemorrhage, so we need to know the classification of the hemorrhage. So let's discuss about the classification of the hemorrhage. So there are four classes 1, 2, 3 and 4 and we will look the various parameters like how much is the blood loss, how much is the blood pressure, how much is the heart rate and is the capillary refill normal or not and what should be the treatment. So these are the various parameters that we will look into. So the class 1 is when there is a blood loss of less than 15% of the total blood volume, and in this situation the blood pressure will be normal, heart rate will be normal, capillary refill will be normal, and we give only crystalloids like we can give NS or RL. Post surgery we prefer giving RL solution. So if the blood loss is less than 15%, all the vital parameters will be normal. So we should post surgery we should be able to assess the amount of blood loss by looking at these vital parameters. So the class 2 is when there is a blood loss of 15 to 30%. So whenever there is a blood loss of 15 to 30%, the blood pressure will be normal, but there will be tachycardia, capillary refill will be normal, and the treatment is again crystalloid. So if there is only tachycardia, all the other parameters are normal, so we can just give crystalloids and we can be okay. Then there is a class 3. In the class 3 there is a blood loss of 30 to 40% and there will be a low blood pressure, there will be tachycardia and capillary refill will may be low in this situation. So whenever the blood loss is around 30 to 40%, blood pressure will be affected. So if there is a hypotension, so we should be worried and we should consider giving blood along with crystalloid. So in the class 4 the blood volume loss is more than 40% and in this situation everything will be affected, all the vital parameters will be affected, the blood pressure will be low, heart rate will be very high and capillary refill will be low and patient will have tachypnea also. So in this situation we have to release the blood and we have to give the blood. So this was about the classification of the hemorrhage. So we will keep on making other videos for this general information. Thank you guys. Thank you.